తల్లిదండ్రులు ఆశలన్నీ పిల్లల మీదే పెట్టుకుంటారు. వాళ్ళు డిగ్రీ చదవగానే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీలో ఉద్యోగం వస్తే అందరికీ గొప్పగా చెప్పుకుంటారు. క్వాలిటీ థాట్ మీరు కలలుగన్న భవిష్యత్తుని మీ పిల్లలకు బహుమతిగా ఇస్తుంది. ప్రాపర్ కెరీర్ గైడెన్స్ ఇస్తుంది. బెస్ట్ ఎంఎన్సీ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ వచ్చేంత వరకు వారికి తోడుగా నిలబడుతుంది. గత 12 ఏళ్లుగా ఎంతో మంది తల్లిదండ్రుల స్వప్నాలను సాకారం చేసింది క్వాలిటీ థాట్. క్వాలిటీ థాట్, ద లీడర్ ఇన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ట్రైనింగ్.
Welcome to ITTV Global Media, the voice of software engineers, and today at Quality Thought. We are in Amirpet on the 3rd floor, and we have one of the Power BI counselors. So I'll be definitely asking her some questions because I feel Power BI is something which people usually do not know. So may I have your name, ma'am? What's your name and what's your education and your life background?
My name is Sandhya. I'm from Hyderabad basically, and coming to my education, that I have completed my graduation. Like later on I have experience into the counseling field at least like for 7 to 8 years, and that's it.
That's it. And as you are from Hyderabad and you have taken Power BI right now as your product when it comes to counseling. So what kind of queries you get?
General queries, like most of the people, like in case if we get freshers, they don't know exactly what is exactly the Power BI is. Okay, and there are people who actually come from a different backgrounds who would like to like move into a technical background. Most of the thing is like most of the students doesn't know what is coding, what is non-coding and all. But if somebody has to go into a like IT professions and they would like to get job easily, Power BI would be definitely the easiest part to learn, because this is a reporting tool. Whoever the person, like any background can actually go with it, and the people who actually have knowledge into like basic Excel and advanced Excel, this would be the actually the right one to go ahead with. And
Okay.
crack the jobs as well.
All right, because see, if I'm not wrong, Power BI is the beautification of data. And okay, why should people take Power BI and not Snowflake? Okay, I mean, because I know, but because I have also seen Snowflake, something to do, very close to Power BI. Because Power BI, is it Power BI or Power BI? How do you say that?
Power BI.
It's Power BI. Okay, business intelligence or something, right? Okay. Now, because even I'm not from the technical background, man, but I know beautification of data means there's a data and you try to show it in bars.
Visualizations part, actually most of the thing will be in these. Like in normal Excel we only show the data, but coming to the like Power BI, what happens is like exactly this will into the visualization part, where it will be in a different types of pie charts and all. So that is the reason most of the companies actually use this for the like for the huge data segregations part.
Okay. So, what kind of salary package a student will get in case if they take Power BI?
Generally for the freshers it would be the packages starts from around 6 lakhs, and so depends.
Wow.
Depends like how much technical knowledge he is giving over there, and there are students who even got the packages like around 3.8 and 4 lakhs as well. But coming to, in case if anybody having experience into like 2 years or 3 years into this domain, definitely they're gonna get in case if they're providing more information in the technical rounds when they have interview, definitely they're gonna crack 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs, and there are more than that also. Depends.
Because I think if I look at because Power BI is something which people, I mean, compared to Java and Python and all the other courses, Power BI either has less demand or less supply in placement. I mean, or in job requirement. Am I right on that?
No. It's I completely don't agree with this, because every sector has a different eligibility criteria. In the same way, even Power BI have the same platform for everybody. It's like it doesn't mean that Power BI is a reporting tool. Doesn't mean that they don't have opportunities. The same way how Java, Python, testing, everybody have a flat platform to go and approach the companies. Same way Power BI have the same thing. So only thing is like how the student is actually is like putting himself, his resume is important. How is that he confident about the technical knowledge and his communication skills? These all are important. That is more important. Like how is portraying his resume is more important. How he is approaching the companies is important to crack the job. That's it. Everybody have the equal opportunities.
I am so glad that you are pro Power BI because I can see that in your conversation. But I mean, because I know I had my own perception and I completely understand that you are right. Each and every course has its demands and has its salary package. Power BI is one of them. Because I really felt that I haven't seen many students getting into it. So that's how my perception towards Power BI became that. But
Agree with that because most of the people are not aware about the Power BI right now because it's came in 2008. Okay, not before that. Before that there was a Tableau and most of the only data who actually deals with that only will go with it. But coming over here, whoever works into like testing or Java or Python, anybody whoever is working into this domain, at the end they have to go with the reporting tools only. So this is one of the major part. And people who actually show themselves as a full stack developers and all, even they have to deal with big data. So they need SQL over there. Again, that will come into the reporting tool as well. So obviously this is the main thing, right?
you have sold Power BI, believe me. I'm impressed by your knowledge. I just love the way you explain that Power BI is important because it's a reporting tool and it goes with everybody.
Yes, obviously everybody should have that knowledge because everybody at the end they're gonna deal with the data. Not without data there is no work, right? We'll sit empty. That's it.
All right, guys, please take Power BI. Please contact her. Okay, Sandhya, please contact Sandhya, take Power BI, and I'm telling you, she has convinced me. I think I'll have to take some suggestions from her. Please give some counseling to me too.
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Please tell your viewers Happy New Year 2023 and ask them to like, subscribe, and share.
Okay, first of all, Happy Christmas and advance Happy New Year and advance Happy Pongal. And please do like, subscribe, and do click on bell icon. Don't forget.
Thank you, and please take Power BI, okay? Thank you.